Dear kids, this is Alka Mehrotra and this is my channel Curiosity Solver. Children, in the previous class we all have learnt about word, phrase and clause. Now here on the board you can see I have written some examples. Now this is your test time. What you have to do is you have to go through each and every sentence and then after you will write it down whether it's a phrase or a clause. That is your test, by the way, because what you'll have to do in this, you will write it down and then after you will check your answers in the description box. Why I'm not going to clear it to you right here? Because I want that you should do it on your own and then after check your answers. Fine? Let me tell you the sentences, all the group of words I must say. A loud noise. Ashoka was a great king. Set on a wall. If he was happy. Mumbai is a big city. In the west, and the last is a fair little girl. Do it and then check it. So children, now we have to read and understand today's topic, and this is one of the very important topics of English language. Now here I have written the topic, order of words in a sentence. Words play a very important part in a sentence. So that is why I am going to give you ample of examples and I am going to divide this video in two parts. There are so many examples and I do not want that this video should be so lengthy that you people get bored with that and you will not be able to pay that much attention on each and every point. That is why I have decided to divide this video in two parts. So today I am going to tell you some points and in the next video I shall share some more points which are relevant, which are very important. So let's see the first point. The subject usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and it is followed by the verb. I hope it is very simple for you all to understand. आप सबको ये बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि जब हम कोई वाक्य बनाते हैं उस वाक्य में सबसे पहला स्थान किस चीज का होता है? सब्जेक्ट या वह व्यक्ति जो वो कार्य कर रहा है, यानी कि कर्ता. हिंदी और इंग्लिश मीडियम दोनों बच्चों के, दोनों तरह के बच्चों को, दोनों स्कूल के बच्चों को, दोनों बोर्ड्स के बच्चों को ये बात बहुत आसानी से समझ में आ गई होगी. Subject plays a very important role in a sentence and its place should be in the beginning. Right? कर्ता को सबसे पहला स्थान दिया जाता है. Now look at the examples. John has gone to Mumbai. The earth revolves round the sun. And the third one is the principal will give award to the topper. Can you tell me who is the subject in these three sentences? Yes, John is the subject in it. Then after the earth and then after the principal. And then after what we have to write down? We have to write down verb in that. Now here, gone, has gone. Now here you will have to differentiate in between auxiliary or helping verb and the main and the principal verb. See, each and every part is very important. Verb plays an important part, right? But there are so many differentiation in that. So many parts are there in verbs also. और हमें क्या करना है? हमें हर एक पॉइंट को बहुत अच्छे से समझना है. इसीलिए एक एक पॉइंट से रिलेटेड मैं वीडियोस आपके सामने लाती रहूंगी ताकि आपको बारीकी से उसके बारे में पता चल सके. All right? Now see the second example, children. Every transitive verb should be followed by an object. Now you will ask, ma'am, what is transitive verb? Again, I'm going to tell you that related to the verbs, I'm going to make another video for you all. But in a short, if I will discuss or will tell you about the transitive verb, that means those words, or I must say those verbs that passes over from the subject to the object. All right. Now here see the examples. The child is drinking milk. Peter killed a snake and the boys played hockey. Can you see that, children? Here, the child, Peter, and the boys, they are doing some word like here is drinking, killed, or played. And we are having objects also like milk, snake, and hockey. Now here you can see the transition of verb. That means something is being done or something passes over from the subject to the object. If you feel a little bit difficult to understand transitive or intransitive verb, again I'm telling you, in that particular video of verbs, I shall give you ample of examples. And one more thing, children, after each and every video, I shall give you some examples so that you can work in your home, you can practice, and then after you can check your answers from the description box. At that time, you will be able to understand whether your answers are correct or wrong. Alright children, now see the third example. Here, if we are having two objects in a sentence, one will be an indirect object and second will be a direct object. How? This is the formation of that sentence. Subject, then after verb, then after indirect object, and then we'll apply direct object. How? It is a bit confusing, no? What is direct and what is indirect? It will be clear after seeing these examples. She gave me a letter. They gave him food. Mary bought Jack a bat. Now here it would be like that also. She gave a letter to me. They gave food to him. And Mary bought a bat for Jack. It would be possible or not? Yes, but here we are talking about direct and indirect objects. So which word is an indirect or which is the direct object here? Me, him, and Jack, they are known as indirect object. And letter, food, and bat will be regarded as direct object. Now this formation of the sentences is telling you the correct part of this formation, or you can say the structure of the sentence. First of all, you will apply a subject, then after you'll apply a verb, then after indirect object, and then after direct object. So that is better for you all children. You should have a notepad and a pen with you. Whatever you are seeing here on the board, you can note it down. That is going to help you a lot. Now the fourth point, children. An adjective usually comes before the noun it qualifies. Adjectives, one of the very simple, very interesting chapter for you all. I think you all like that chapter a lot about adjectives, but there are some important points in that too. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to describe each and every part of each and every topic elaborately. Now here, see the examples related to this point. I have a red shirt. The dog is a faithful animal and Ram has a white car. Now noun, I think it is clear. All of you know noun very well. Okay, here in this, what is noun? Shirt is noun in it. Animal, and then after, here you can see dog. Here Ram is a proper noun. Car is a noun here. Now here what you are going to read, that always adjectives will come before the noun it qualifies. Here red is an adjective, it is qualifying shirt. Here you are talking about a dog, and which kind of animal it is? It's a faithful animal. And then after, white car. This is one of the very simple, I must say, a point for you all to understand. Now this is the final point of this video, because I have told you I will make another video for that too. Before this, you have seen that we have used adjectives in the sentence before nouns. The noun, it qualifies. But here when we use it in a predicate way, like as a predicate, how we will use it? It comes after the noun. How? He looks angry. Now can you see? Adjective part is coming as a predicate or just after the noun. You can see here, he looks angry. With the help of these sentences, you will come to know that how can we use adjectives in different way also. Now see the second one, books are useful. You are talking about books. These are useful, but the adjective is coming after the noun. The girl is asleep. So these are the sentences which are going to help you a lot. Children, if you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe it, and press the notification bell, because the next video, which will be related to the order of the words in the sentence, you will get the notification for that. Thank you.